Back to Diane S channel. You know, getting a bite, and Ray's gonna tell you what he's having. First of all, this is what I'm having: vegetable spring rolls, and this is good for me. So over to you, Ray. Tell the people them what is here have you now.
I have a palm soup, and the rice. We just add some rice to it, right? Now, a lot of people don't know, so when you put the rice in the soup, it's sweet. Our Puerto Rican, you teach me in the army.
So you just have the plate. What is in that soup, Ray?
Yeah, them say the palm leaf.
The palm leaf. And you are having it
vegetarian soup. So.
Vegetarian, right? So you and I are not in the meat thing. Yeah. So they bring you the soup like this, and you sure that's how they must eat it?
Yeah, man. So
you sure?
Anytime I get soup, every time I go I order soup anyway, whether fish soup or whatever, I will get an order rice, a small order rice, and put the rice in the soup. It's sweet there.
Well guys, that's Ray enjoying it. Let me bring it closer for you to see it. So it's palm soup
with the rice.
He got the rice on the side and he poured the rice in this bowl and he's enjoying it. And I'm about to enjoy my vegetable spring rolls. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. God bless. God bless.